Hi, are you having a great day today? Might as well hope that all of you are. So, have you heard about statistics? Of course, it was taught in high school, right? And I expect that you have learned something from your discussions back then, because today we are going to discuss all about statistics to refresh our minds. Why we use statistics and how we use statistics. Netflix uses statistics to predict what show we might want to watch next. We use statistics when we look at the weather forecast and what we decided to wear daily. Statistics is all about making sets of data and figuring out how to put that information to use. First, what is statistics? Statistics involves the collection, organization, summarization, presentation, and interpretation of data. It is used in all scientific disciplines, such as the physical and social sciences, in business, in the humanities, and government. There are two branches or types of statistics, the descriptive and inferential statistics. First, descriptive statistics involves the collection, organization, summarization, presentation, and interpretation of data. Let's say survey forms as an example. In survey forms, you create questionnaires for your practical research that will be answered by the respondents. You will collect and organize the answers given through tally and frequency distribution for summary. It also uses different parameters like mean or standard deviation. Later on, it will be discussed. And to explain and interpret the set of data, it will use graphs, charts like histogram, pie charts, bar graphs, and so on. In inferential statistics, the second type, this will interpret the meaning of the descriptive statistics and the mentioned example earlier.
Arithmetic mean.
What is arithmetic mean?
It is the simplest and most widely used measure of mean or average. It simply involves using the sum of a group of numbers, then dividing the sum by adding the count of numbers used in the series. In finding the mean of a set of data, we need to use this formula. Mean is equal to the sum of data values over the number of data values. For us to fully understand what mean talks about, let's do this example. Take the number 40, 43, 47, 52, and 60. The sum of the data values is 242, divided by the number of data values, which is 5. Therefore, the arithmetic mean is 48.4. In this statistic, it is somewhat necessary to find the sum of a set of numbers. The traditional symbol used to indicate summation is the Greek letter sigma. Thus, notation summation of x, called summation notation, denotes the sum of all numbers in a given set. The mean of number is the sum of the numbers divided by n. Sample mean is an average of a set of data. It is arithmetic mean of random sample values drawn from the population. It is any subset of a population. It is traditional to denote the mean of sample by x bar. While the population mean is nothing but average of the entire group under consideration and denotes the mean of population by lowercase mu. For example, the 6 friends in the biology class of 20 students received test grade of 92, 84, 65, 76, 88, and 90. These friends are the sample of the population of 20 students. So therefore, we use x bar to represent the mean. X bar is equals to the summation of x over n. Substitute the given value, which is 92 plus 84 plus 65 plus 76 plus 88 plus 90 over 6. The sum of the given values is 495 over 6. Therefore, the mean is equals to 82.5. Another example. The height of 5 runners are 160 cm, 137 cm, 149 cm,
153 cm and 161 cm respectively.
X bar is equals to the summation of x over n. Substitute the given value 160 cm plus 137 cm plus 149 cm plus 153 cm plus 160 cm over 6 is equals to the sum of 760 cm over 6. Therefore, the average height of the 6th runner is 126.67 cm.
Median is the middle number is in a shortened list of numbers. It can be used to determine an approximate average or mean, but it's not to be confused with actual mean. If there is an odd amount of numbers, the median value is the number is in the middle. Sample question. Find the median for the following data set. 105, 57, 35, 100, 99, 120, 15. Step number 1. Sort your data from the smallest number to highest number. For this example of dataset, the order is 15, 35, 57, 99, 100, 105, 120. Step 2. Find the number in the middle where there are an equal number of data points above and below the number. 15, 35, 57, 99, 100, 105, 120. The median is 99.
I will be tackling about what does the mode means and how to find a mode in a certain distribution of data. So what does the mode means?
The mode is the number that occurs most frequently in a list of numbers or distribution of data. In Filipino, ito yung number na nauulit sa isang data. It can be the same value as the mean and or median, but it is usually not the case.
How do we find the mode in a certain distribution of data?
There are two ways on how to find the mode. The first one is the scoring. You will write the numbers from the data and score them in accordance with how many times the number was repeated. By doing this scoring, you will see which number occurs most frequently, and that is the mode of the dataset. The second way to find the mode is to arrange them from lowest to greatest or from greatest to lowest. As you arrange them, you will see which number occurs most frequently because same numbers are placed next to each other. The properly arranged numbers will make it easier for you to count how the numbers occur oftentimes in the dataset. And by that, you found the mode of the dataset. There is also an instance that a dataset do not have a mode. This happens when the numbers in the dataset all differ from one another.
What is weighted mean? It is a value which is often used when some data values are more important than others. For instance, using 4-point grading system, A is equals to 4, B is equals to 3, C is equals to 2, D is equals to 1. And this table shows MJ's first semester course grades. Using the weighted mean, find MJ's GPA for the first semester. In these two columns, there is X, which is the 4-point grading system, with its corresponding weights, which is in the W column. At the lower part, which has like the E symbol and W, means sum of all weights. Formula. Weighted mean is equals to the sum of the products by multiplying each number by its assigned weight, divided by the sum of all the weights. Distribute the corresponding given. The sum of the products is equals to 35, divided by the sum of all the weights, which is equals to 14. 35 divided by 14 is equals to 2.5. Therefore, MJ's GPA for the first semester is 2.5.